पैदल जाए।
वही पकड़ लेना उसको।
सिखा रहा हूँ सर।
अच्छा, हो गया, स्टार्ट हो गया। ऑल राइट, सो आफ्टर द मितावली वी हैव कम अबाउट द पड़ावली टेम्पल. It's a quite beautiful temple. As you can see, these are the shapes of the lion. Are these lions?
Yeah,
These are the lions, right? These are the lions. This Mitabli is also constructed in a 9th century. Now, after climbing the large number of stairs that we have reached final, the destination is this mandap. As you can see the engravings and the design of this. Let's go ahead. So this is the mandap actually, where you can see there are portraits and there are some engravings of the god, and Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, all you will have there. And there is just some procedure related to the marriage, as you can see up to the top of this. As you can see, at every corner, at every stone, you will see the engravings of the god. And this kind of engraving we have seen Khajuraho temple. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
Khajuraho temple. So like you will see the beautiful design on this. These are the engravings, and you see the sample of the architecture of Indian. This is very good, and this is the face of the lion, and all the god and goddesses, the related animals. Like you can see there is a picture of Durga. But the final thing is, like you will notice in every kind of pictures, these are dismantled, completely dismantled. All the Mughals invaders, they came here and ruled India, so they destroyed all the architecture of India. There were some saints and monks who came,
Yeah.
and they did their meditation here for years and years, and they wrote their names. These are the names of saints and monks who came here and existed themselves.
Okay.
And you can see this one as well, this one as well, and the portrait and the pictures that you're looking, these pictures are belonging to the marriages of God.
Okay. Great.
Do you know about this places? You will see all the engravings related to the God. This is the Sivling, and look at this. They have just come to offer the prayers, and there may be, like you can see, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. These are some forms of the Vishnus, right? And this is called the Vishnu Darbar. This is basically a place in which we are standing right now. This is called the mandap, right? And you will see Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, and the marriage related also, like you will see all the rituals of the Hindus are engraved there. Come. These engravings, like you can see, these are the symbols of the welcome. Like we have the welcome images near side of our home, so they have it.
Welcome.
All the images, like you can see, they are the dismantle of the Mughal emperor. Now look at here. This is the specimen of the elephant. An elephant, so it has been dismantled, like the thrones of this and
These.
the
Tusks.
tusk and the trunk of this. So all are dismantled. And you know what the story behind it? These are the piece of stone that tells you the different story. You know what is the surprising thing about it? The surprising thing is this: when you light the lamp here, right, on the fort, when you light the lamp, so this lamp and their light you can see at our Gwalior fort. From the Gwalior fort you can see this fort.
Oh.
Fine. Yes, Padavli you can see from there. Here, what happened once, there was a Mughal emperor who went to meet, I don't know who was the emperor, who went to meet anybody at the Gwalior fort. Fine. They, in the night, whatever the person who was ruling there, so he used to light the lamp in the night. When this Mughal emperor, he went there and he saw this place was sparkling like something, जुगनू होते हैं ना, उसकी तरह पर वो चमक रही थी. So he asked about this place to him. Then he replied that this is the place called Padavli, and it sparkles there. The stones, as you can see, there was a Shiv temple. So it was destroyed and dismantled by those invaders, right, who came here. So earlier, like as you can see, they are the stones, and there are some engravings, like you can see. Just get it closer toward this. These are the stones, as you can see, na? These are the stones. See, what human tells you the story, the stones like for the thousands of years they have been here, and they're telling you the exact story what happened at this. So all the stones which you are seeing here, it was just like a mandap and a temple of Shiva. Fine. So Shiva was existing there. So when he came here, he dismantled all the architecture of this, and you can see like this is Thadik Chalak, like at the top of the temple or the mandap.
Yeah.
Fine. You know what? Why is this?
Why?
This is just because of when any thunderstorm comes,
Yeah.
Bijli. So it just absorb and get the power of this thunderstorm downside to the land. And almost all the historical buildings, they have that. Just not to be destroyed by any of the natural disaster.
Great.
They're coming from the top. So basically I was talking about this temple. This temple was a Lord Shiva's temple, and in the night, in the worship, like people and the emperor who was ruling here, he used to offer the lamps to him. So it was sparkling, it was a very beautiful places. And you know what, when Mughals started ruling at this place, so these are the jails and the prisons you can see, where the prisoners they used to kept by them, right? Whenever they wanted to punish anybody, so they kept the prisoners in this. Like you can see, these are the jails. So this is all the portion that you are looking at this. So all the prisoners or those defaulters, they used to be punished there. So this is it about it. Like as you can see, there are some more statues, like you can see engraved on the wall or this. So that's about it. This place that tells a story about the Shiv temples. We have done it. Now let's go on the top and look at the fort. Where come up from where we can go. Is there any place to go there? How the girls reach there? I think
from
this
there,
is
from there.
from there. No,
When I was came the circle, it's a jail.
It is a jail, na? You didn't listen. This is the jail. The Mughal emperors they created the jail just to punish people. Yes.
What inside the shop?
This is the jail.
Yeah, this is.
Yes, this is the jail. कहाँ पर?
Let's go and see.
There is a snake where? Where is the snake?
Snake in the bamboo.
Oh, there is some place. Let's go and or not? Should we go inside?
We don't have to go there. Just go upward and just look at it. Let's have a view up there.
Okay, so should we stop the